Hey guys, today we're going to talk about stress, not the one that you might experience at your workplace or at home, but the one that can be found in the English language. You know, sentences in spoken English consist of buzzwords and slave words. Buzzwords are usually the ones with stress, and slave words are brutally murdered. They are connected, merged, and reduced. They're kind of destroyed a little bit. They are butchered. Yeah. So let's see an example of what I'm talking about. My glass is on the table. Here the buzzwords are glass and table. These two gonna have all the stress, and the others are gonna be butchered a little bit. Like is on the. Is becomes z. On becomes n. And the becomes the. Just the. Znd. My glass is on the table. Even my gets a bit butchered. Like here, instead of ah, you just pronounce the schwa. My glass is on the table. My glass is on the table. Officially, these ones are called content words because they carry the meaning of the sentence, and these are called function words. They're usually just grammar words. Content words can be So, content words can be nouns like boy, girl, hand grenade, or table. They can be verbs like go, swim, masturbate. Adjectives like small, big, juicy, bootylicious, nice, and good. Adverbs like slowly, never. Question words, I think you know these ones. Who, what, when. And negatives like won't, can, doesn't. Function words can be, let me show you how fast I can write. So, function words can be prepositions like in, on, to, under, forms of to be and to have. So they are verbs, but these are the exceptions. So, you know, is, are, have, has. Pronouns like I and you and they, all. Conjunctions like but, or, and. Modal verbs like should, could, would, can. And determiners, they can be articles like the, and quantifiers like few, some, any, and also possessives like my, your, and so on. So these are the motherfuckers and these are the cocksuckers. So these are stressed and these are not. Not in every case. So this is a guideline, not set in stone, you know. So you can go back to the school and ask any of your teachers. I stressed back and any, and those are not nouns and verbs and adjectives and stuff like that. So any word can be stressed if there's a good reason to do so. Let's see some more examples. So let's find the content words here. You should bring your camera because my wife is naked. Did you hear which words I stressed? You should bring your camera because my wife is naked. And now let's lose the function words. Bring camera, wife naked. Hey, bring camera, wife naked. You can still understand what I'm trying to say. The message is delivered with using only the content words. Let's see another example. Send me some money because I've lost my bitcoins. Send me some money because I've lost my bitcoins. Once again, we have 4 content words. Send, money because I lost my bitcoins. These are the stressed words. Send me some money because I've lost my bitcoins. Now let's get rid of those function words again. Send money, lost bitcoins. I think the message is clear. You can send me bitcoins as well. Now let's see a sentence where all the words are content words. Dogs eat bones. All 3 words are buzzwords. They all get stressed. Now let's add some function words and see what happens. The dogs eat the bones. We can add some helper words. We can also change the tense so we can make it even longer. The dogs have been eating the bones. Our three main words, the content words, are dogs, eat, and bones. The dogs have been eating the bones. The other words are kind of mashed together a little bit. The dogs have been eating the bones. And the funny thing is that our original sentence, dogs eat bones, is the same length as the dogs have been eating the bones when we are speaking. Let me prove it. Dogs eat bones. The dogs eat the bones. The dogs are eating the bones. The dogs have been eating the bones. Dogs eat bones. The dogs eat the bones. The dogs are eating the bones. The dogs have been eating the bones. Give me some baseline here. All right, let's see more examples. There are two girls at the bar. Our content words here are girls and bar. Girls and bar are higher in pitch when we speak. We can stress two if we want to stress that it's not just one girl and it's not five. There are two girls in the bar. There are five girls, not two. So there are two girls at the bar. What you gonna do with them? Nice long sentence. We got two content words here. What and do. The funny thing is that do in speaking is just as long as the five words before that. What are you going to do? Hey, what are you going to do with them? No. In spoken English, it sounds like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? We can time it. What you gonna do? You see, what are you going to is just as long as do, because we're gonna butcher these words, these function words here. Even what gets shorter. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Or what you gonna do? Something like, what you gonna do? With who? With them. With them. With them. You see, here's a TH, here's a TH. Two THs are not friends. With them. With them. With them. With them. And even this sound is gonna be a schwa, like with them. With them. With them. So what you gonna do with them? What you gonna do with them? What you gonna do with them? What are you gonna do with them? You can choose, but don't choose this one. It's too long. So what you gonna do with them? Their boyfriends bailed on them. Tom and Jerry. You know, Tom is at home sick, but Jerry, where'd he go? Where did he go? In everyday spoken English, where did he go becomes where'd he go? Where did go? I know it looks stupid, but that's how it sounds. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Where'd he go? Where did he go? We usually drop the H, where did he go? And we drop a D as well. Where'd he go? He's at a job interview. How'd it go? How'd it go? Not how did it go. That's too much for an American. How did it go? How'd it go? How did go? I'm not good at job interviews. I think I could not have passed that. I could not have passed that. I could not have passed that. I mean, I could not have passed that. When you try to speak fast, all these words, I could not have passed that. That's struggle. So you try to reduce whatever you can. And in this case, we're gonna kill the have. And it's gonna be just an I could not have passed that. And here, past that, we lose the TH. I could not have passed that. Like it's one word, past that. Like networking event, you know, next door and cats and dogs. So I could not have passed that. Okay, actually I could go on forever with the stress thing and reductions and syncope and and butchering the words. But I think that's enough for today. That's a lot to digest. I've ordered some junk food and it can be here any minute. So let me call it a day, okay? And see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. A beautifully butchered tomorrow there. Sayonara.